Cornell notes taking system, mind mapping, SOS, flashcard. Which method is best for taking notes in classes, meetings, or conferences? Hello, friends. Hope you are good. I'm Archana and I'm back with another interesting video on the topic Ultimate Notes Taking Science Proven Methods to Remember Everything. Learn 5 scientific techniques with me in this video. Before we deep dive into the scientific facts, let me ask you something on a funny note. Have you ever found yourself the day before an exam desperately trying to borrow notes from that one diligent, super studious classmate because you didn't take any notes yourself? Then, when you need those notes, the classmate phone is off, nowhere to be found. Classic, right? If that sounds familiar, don't worry. In this video, you will learn some scientific techniques to ensure you never have to ask for any kind of notes from anyone on this planet. So let's get started. In this video, firstly, we will get to know about why notes making is important, common mistakes to avoid, and you will learn the 5 scientific techniques to make notes effectively. Why notes making is important: to boost understanding, to improve memory, and to enhance active recall. Writing notes in your own words deepen understanding as it requires processing and summarizing content. It also helps in transferring information from short-term to long-term memory, and active recall improves long-term retention of the concepts. You must have read the book Three Mistakes of My Life. Now learn 3 mistakes of notes making. Number 1, writing down everything. Writing down everything verbatim, copying information word for word from the source material without processing or summarizing it. Such type of notes lack personal insights and unhelpful during exams. So focus on capturing main ideas, key terms, and the important facts. The second thing is highlighting everything. Highlighting too much information can make it hard to identify key points and important concepts. Third one is lack of organization. Taking notes on loose sheets in a disorganized manner without clear headings, subheadings, or a structure make it nearly impossible to study and review effectively later on. So to avoid these and make effective notes, we will learn 5 scientific techniques. And the number 1 in that series is Cornell Notes Taking System. This system was developed by Cornell University. It is a systematic format for organizing notes that can make studying more efficient and effective. There are more than 30 lakhs articles on Google Scholar that talk about its effectiveness. Now, let's talk about the advantages of the Cornell note system. It helps in efficient organization, improves the comprehension. It is easy to review, enhanced focus. It also encourages critical thinking. It helps in better recall, adaptability, and time management, of course. So in this system, the page is divided into 3 main sections: Q column, notes column, and summary column. So notes taking area, this is the main area in which we have to write the key information during lecture or while reading, capture main idea, facts and details. Here, to be concise and use bullet points to write the main ideas. In the Q column, this column is mainly devoted to writing questions and keywords. Think of it as a way to test yourself. And the last one in the bottom is the summary call area or summary section, in which you have to summarize only the key points, and it will help you to identify the main area and will consolidate your reviewing. Now moving to the next technique, that is mind mapping. This technique is my favorite technique, and it is best for brainstorming any topic or summarizing complex topics and visualizing connections to understand complex concepts. And it is also useful for quick revision of the things. So now let's learn the steps of mind mapping. So you have to start with a central idea. Branch out with key themes from the central idea, add subtopics, use different colors and images to make it more attractive, include connections between topics, subtopics, and then examples. Revise your mind maps quickly and regularly to have better retention. Next technique is flashcard methods. In this technique, write a question on one side of the card and answer on the other side. This technique is used for active recall and spaced revisions. The process of retrieving information strengthens neural connections, and it also facilitates self-testing. So you have to create cards and organize them and revise them regularly. The next technique is SOS method, that is summarizing, organization, and the last one is synthesis. So in this method, firstly you have to summarize the main points, the main concepts, then create an outline of the key topics, and then you have to be actively engaged with the outline and summary of the next technique is Feynman technique. It is a four-step process. Firstly, you have to choose the concept, then explain it in your own words, check your thought process, and simplify it. It was named after a physicist, Richard Feynman. And this technique says if you struggle to explain something, it indicates gap in your understanding. Revising these gaps and simplify your explanation will solidify your knowledge. So try to use all the techniques that we have discussed, like Cornell technique. We have also discussed the mind mapping, the SOS method, flashcard techniques, and Feynman technique. All these techniques are important. Try all of them and try to continue with the one which suits you the best. So before we end this session, we would like to mention that on our channel, each and every student and each and every subscriber is highly valued. We are dedicated to help each one of them, and we want to hear more from you people so that we can provide training on the topics specially customized for you. So one of our viewer who is a data science student, and he found our syllabus mastery video very helpful and wanted more such content, and that's why we have come up with another video, that is the scientific techniques on notes making about this content. So with this, we are ending our session. Subscribe for more. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.